Why does your scanner show the P2103 engine code? What does it mean? P2103 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator, a control motor circuit high. It indicates that the voltage signal of the throttle actuator, a control motor circuit, is higher than the specified range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: failed throttle body, damaged wiring, faulty throttle actuator control motor, faulty ECM, defaults in the throttle actuator control module, poor electrical connection, loose or corroded connections, opened or shorted TAC module harness. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Porsche, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.